Hi, I'm Nemo from WatchThemLive, and in this video, I'm going to explain the analytics dashboard. Once you log into your WatchThemLive account after you've added your website, you see the analytics dashboard. Here are the number of page views, sessions, and visitors within the selected date range. You can select your date range from here. Using filters, you're able to narrow down your data. The filters can be based on visitors data, including country code and their screen resolutions, or page data, such as path and page title. Below, you will find more information about your website and its visitors. Let's take a look at them one by one. First one is pages. For each of your web pages, you can see the number and percentage of page views. Click here to view more data. Here, you will see the bounce rate for each page besides page views. The information is also available for your landing pages and exit pages. Next is referrers, which shows your traffic sources. You will see the number and percentage of visitors from each source, as well as the bounce rate. Click on the social media or search engine tab to only check the data from those sources. The country section will show you where your visitors are mostly from. There's also a map to present the data visually. WatchThemLive also gives you information about your visitors' operating systems, devices, browsers, screen resolutions, and browser languages. And you can see the number and percentage of the corresponding visitors for each. You're also able to track your UTM links in the analytics dashboard. The analytics help you understand your audience better to improve the user experience, make more informed decisions, and identify opportunities for improvement. And that's it. If you have any questions, make sure to check out our Learning Center.